Om Namah Shivaya, everyone. Mahadev has a divine guidance for you. The message that has come for all of you is such a beautiful and heartwarming message. Mahadev is guiding you to take on your spiritual path. He is asking you to transcend materialism and cultivate devotion to him, towards him. Regularly go to a Shiv Mandir because he really wants you to meet him and to connect to him on a deeper soul to soul level from your heart, because he really loves you and sees you as his child. Mahadev is wanting to guide you towards your spiritual path, towards a higher path that helps your soul grow truly abundantly, because how Mahadev works with his devotees is first he will give them spiritual growth and then material growth, because he wants truly what is the best for us. Why so? Because if we are not spiritually prepared, if we have not grown, how are we going to handle the blessings, the material blessings, wealth that Mahadev is about to give all of us? Money in itself is not good or bad, it's our intention that makes it good. If someone is using that money to grow himself, his family, and the community around them, maybe that person feeds dogs or feeds other animals, that means that person is using his wealth to for the benefit of everyone around him. So money essentially is not bad. What Mahadev wants us to do is, while we are growing spiritually, then he wants to bless us with the material blessings that we desire. He never says no to our desires. He simply says, wait, my dear child, first grow. First, grow your heart, grow your soul, grow spiritually, so that you can handle the amount of blessings that I am about to give you. What Mahadev wants you to do right now is, through your third eye chakra, connect to him, because he is blessing you with a lot of divine guidance. He is sending you messages in the form of maybe an inner knowing that you already know it, that Mahadev is sending you this message. Or maybe you are thinking about something and you just see a sign on Instagram, or maybe you just go out and you see Om, that is Mahadev, guiding you and approving of what you were thinking. If you are planning about something about your career or going abroad, Mahadev really wants you to connect to him and start every new beginning that you are thinking holding his hand. Because when we hold in his hand, whenever we start a new beginning, he sees through everything. He checks everything that is for our highest good, and then he carries us in his own arms so that we reach our destination safely and securely. What Mahadev really wants you to do is start chanting. That is how, through your third eye, that is how your third eye will open and you can connect to him. If you are truly a bhakt of Mahadev, I highly suggest that you start chanting the mantra Om Namah Shivaya, because Om Namah Shivaya is the greatest mantra in this whole entire universe. For if you are anywhere in any situation and you feel like, I don't know what to do, I don't know how the situation is going on and what the result will be, just close your eyes and say in your heart Om Namah Shivaya, and see how all your problems vanish and how he comes through for you, for his child. Because you remember or may not remember, you will always be his divine child, and his divine blessings are always protecting you. If you want divine guidance for your specific situation, DM me on WhatsApp and we shall book a session.